Hello my dear students. Now I'll explain to you the types of data analysis results and IoT data analytics overview. The true importance of IoT data from the smart objects is realized only when the analysis of the data leads to actionable business intelligence and insights. Data analysis is typically broken down by the types of the results that are produced. Now we can see in the diagram, there are the four types of the data analysis results. The first is we can call it as the analysis, big data technologies and data. See descriptive, in the analysis it is categorized into descriptives, diagnostics, predictive and perspective. Descriptive means what is happening, diagnostics why did it happens, predictive what is likely to happen, and perspectives what should I do about it. And in the big data technologies, collect, integrate, process, aggregate and visualize. And in the data in terms of raw and processed networks or OOPS data, mobile internet data, machine and sensors data, usage, videos, email and messaging, relationship and social influence, CRM in ERP, geolocations, event alarms. These are the what we can call it as a data. Now, descriptive means what? Descriptive data analysis tells that what happening either now or in the past. For example, thermometer in a struck engine report the temperature values every second from a descriptive analytics perspective. You can pull this data at any moment to gain insight into the current operating condition of the truck engine. If the temperature values is too high, then there may be a cooling problem or the engine may be experiencing too much load. That's what we can call as the descriptive, means what happening exactly. Diagnostics. Diagnostic means what? What happened? If any analysis you've done, then what happened? If any failures happened, what happened? We have to do the diagnosis. When you are interested in the why, diagnostic data analysis can provide the answer. Continuing with the example of the temperature sensor. See, the previously in the descriptive we took an example of the thermometer. Here also we'll continue the same. The data analysis can provide the answer. Continuing with the example of the temperature sensor in the truck engine, you might wonder why the truck engine failed. Diagnostic analysis might show what temperature of the engine was too high and the engine overheated. Applying the diagnostic analysis across the data generated by the wide range of smart objects can provide a clear picture of why problem or event occurred. Predictive. In here also I'll consider the example with the historical values of the temperature for the truck engine. Predictive analysis could provide an estimate of the remaining life of certain components in the engine. These components could then be proactively replaced before failure occurs, or perhaps if the temperature values of the truck engine start to rise slowly over time. Next, the perspective. Perspective analysis goes a step beyond the predictive and recommends solution of the upcoming problems. A perspective analysis of the temperature data from a truck engine might calculate the various alternatives to cost effectively maintain our truck. Means there is a perspective. This calculation could range from the cost necessary for more frequent oil changes and cooling maintenance to installing a new cooling equipment on the engine or upgrading to lease on a model with more powerful engine. IoT data analytics challenges. Mainly there are the two IoT data analytics challenges. One is the scaling problem and second is the violating of the data.